In this video, you'll learn how to check if your Google Pixel phone has fast charging capabilities. By following these steps, you will be able to determine whether your device supports this feature and ensure you are using the right accessories for optimal performance. Begin by connecting your Google Pixel to its original charger and cable. Fast charging typically operates best with the official accessories provided by the manufacturer. Plug the charger into a power source and ensure the cable is securely connected to both the charger and your phone. This step is essential for obtaining accurate results regarding charging speed. Next, observe your phone screen, specifically the lock screen or notification panel while it is charging. If fast charging is activated, you should see a notification indicating it is charging rapidly or displaying fast charging. This visual confirmation indicates that the feature is functioning correctly. If the notification shows standard charging, it may take a few seconds for the phone to recognize the fast charging capability, so check again shortly after. After confirming the initial charging status, navigate to the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Battery or Device Care section, depending on your specific model. In this area, you may find details about your charging speed. This information will help you assess whether your device is charging as expected and whether fast charging is indeed active. If you notice that your phone is charging slowly, consider testing a different cable or adapter. Using a non-original charger can sometimes hinder fast charging performance. Ensuring you have the correct accessories can greatly affect the charging speed and overall efficiency of your device. After making any necessary changes, return to the charging status to see if improvements have been made. Once you have completed these steps, you should now have a clear understanding of your Google Pixel's fast charging status. If fast charging is enabled, you can enjoy the benefits of quicker power-ups. If not, using the right charger and cable is crucial for achieving optimal charging speeds. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.